When tackling DIY projects, finding a stud in your wall is crucial for safety and stability. But what if you don't have a stud finder? Don't worry, I'll show you how to find a stud using just your hands, eyes, and a few everyday items. First, try the simplest method, the knock test. Start by tapping on the wall with your knuckles. A hollow sound means there's no stud, but a solid sound means you've hit one. Next, look at the placement of your electrical outlets or light switches. Studs are often located to the left or right of them, since these fixtures are usually mounted onto studs for support. Once you've found a clue, use a measuring tape to measure in 16-inch increments. Most studs are spaced 16 inches apart, so this can help you predict their locations. A strong magnet can also help. Slowly drag a magnet across the wall, and it will stick where there are nails or screws holding the drywall to the stud. Finally, you can confirm by inserting a small nail where you think the stud is. If it goes in firmly and doesn't slide, congratulations, you've found your stud. And there you have it. Finding a stud without a stud finder is easier than you think. If this was helpful, give it a try and let us know how it worked for you. Want more DIY tips? Subscribe and check out our channel for more beginner-friendly guides.